I'm super excited to share the complete step-by-step construction video of 3 BHK duplex house in a 30 by 40 east facing site. Starting from day 1 till the final moment to step inside the home. Let's get started. I'm Sriram Benur. East facing site which is 30 by 40. The plan is like this. So ground floor to have a single BHK house along with a shop area, and then it is also going to have a space for car parking and bike parking as well. Now first floor to second floor is going to be the duplex, where first floor is going to have a single bedroom house with a spacious living area, a spacious kitchen, a pooja room, and the second floor is going to be 2 bedroom. So this is how the plan is going to be. So let me show you the complete steps that happen for 3 months so that you can understand everything. And if you're somebody who is constructing a house, this will give you a lot more idea on how exactly the construction is going to happen, so that you can make sure that everything is going to be done in the right way. And at the same time, if you're somebody who is into civil industry and if you want to understand how things are done, again this will give you the clarity as well. And again, for people who are just interested to know how everything happens, so this is a great way for you to understand the fantastic work that happens during construction. Okay, so again, here is the 3-month work which I'll be showing to you in 17 minutes. Let me share the plan of this ground floor. So this is where the parking area is, and this is where it is going to have the entrance for single bedroom house, and this is going to be the hall, and this is the kitchen. Now here is the washroom, and this is the bedroom. Now if you see this area, this is going to be the shop area. So this is how the ground floor plan is.
So let me explain the plan of this house. So ground floor is single bedroom house with one shop and car parking area. Once somebody comes to the first floor, so this is how it looks. And what do you see here? So this is the living area, and also you see the square section there. So that's the puja room, and you see the steps there, which is going to the next floor. Now that's going to make it as a duplex house, and in the second floor it is going to be 2-bedroom house. Now coming over here, so this is a spacious kitchen with also the attached dining area, and you could see this is very spacious. And right over there, so that's a bedroom. Now it has an attached
bathroom
just behind the stairs. Now you see there is a section behind that, so that's where the
attached bathroom comes.
Let me explain you the second floor plan. So this is duplex. So you see from first floor to second floor is duplex, and that's where they would enter, and they have common area over there. And this is going to be the balcony. So you see this entire area, that's a balcony, and they have 2 bedrooms here. So this is one attached bedroom. So the other one is, that's the attached bedroom. So you see the bedroom there, and that side is the bathroom, right? So similarly here is the bedroom with that being the bathroom. So quite spacious, and this is how the plan of second floor looks like. So you could see this right now. So this is the second floor slab. Now what you're seeing is all those white pipes are the electrical pipes. There are points that have been left for the fan, lighting and everything. And that's where they are going to come to the top floor. Or the staircase, the opening space that is there. So this has been made to make sure that proper curing happens. You see all the water that has been put on the top. So this is the top floor. And this is where from the duplex house they would be coming to the top. So that section. And also electrical work has started. So you could see that they are doing the wiring things as well. So this is the puja room, and this is how it looks right now. And if you could see, the polycab wires have been used here. Sir, wiring ಗೆ usually ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿವಸ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ?
ಸರ್ ವೈರಿಂಗ್
ಹಾಂ
ಇದನ್ನ
ಒಂದು ವಾರ. Okay. So usually for getting the complete wiring, internal wiring work done, it would take roughly about 4 to 5 days. So this is how it looks right now. And if I just come inside here, so to the kitchen area, you could see the plumbing work has also been done here now. There's a plumbing work, and they are doing the electrical wiring work here. So what they are doing right now is they are actually cleaning this thing. So once they clean this, then they will pass the wires inside that. So 2 ಲಕ್ಷ ಜನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು. ಈ ತಂತಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕಿರೋದು? So first thing is they will actually clean all these points. So you see here, so that's a fan point right now. Okay. So that's where the junction section is there. From there the wires are going to pass right now. So you see polycab 4.0. So this is the wire that has been getting used now. Okay. So now they are going to pass the wires. So what they are going to do right now is they are going to pass that wires. Doing right now, there is a cable something like this, which they have already put. Okay, so for that cable, they are going to connect the wires and pull it from this. So you see this. So this is how they actually pass the wire and pull it from the other side. Show that how exactly they pull the wires. So you could see all these places they have already done that work. Okay, it's been done, and this is how it looks right now in the second floor. This is second floor. So this is one master bedroom. So all the pipes have been covered with the cement now. The plumber work has been done here. That's for the exhaust fan. So this is the place for washing machine. This is another hall. This is how it looks. This is a master bedroom washroom here. Again, a double layer or triple layer waterproofing would be done so that there is no water leak that happens to the floor below.
So this is the puja room right here, and you see something like this. Okay. Now let me just quickly go down. And now you could see that they would start pulling the wires. Okay. So you see. So using that cable, there is pulled wire here to the distribution point. Again, you see there are a lot more wires that are there, right? So they would actually connect to that and then pull it from there. So this is a spring they use to pass it inside the pipes, okay, electrical pipe. So it can easily slide and go right now. So if I can just show you, right? So it becomes easy for them to push and take it to the next point. That's how they do it. Now you see they are pulling from the other side. See this. So that is how. So they push the spring from this point. It went to that point. From that point, it is going to that point. Now it becomes easy for them to pull wire from this point to that point. Same here. They are using the spring to push it, pull it over there.
I'll show you the work done over the past 9 months. Right now the main work happening is false ceiling, wall cladding, windows and wardrobe. You can watch this video in 1.5x or 2x speed by clicking on settings. This is a duplex house with 3 BHK constructed in 30 by 40 east facing site. So these are all the challenges.
So what they are doing right now is they are putting the protective sheet here so that the tiles won't get damaged.
So this is how they bring the elevation down. So 6x4 in dimension. 12 mm thickness.
Those are all the wires that have been left for the lights. That's for the fan. So this is the other one in the first floor. So you could see they are doing the putty work now. All those gaps are going to be filled by so that's the point for fan here. So after this, the painters are going to do all the painting work and everything. Then the lights are going to be fixed. This is the kind of design that would be coming over here. So that's the false ceiling work. So I'll again show the next steps how it happens. So you could see the current false ceiling work. This is how it looks. You see all the wiring connections, the design. On top of this, they are going to do the putty and everything. this is the false ceiling work in the bedroom. So this is the second floor, false ceiling work. You can see all the design details here. Let me show you the other bedroom false ceiling work. Let me take you to the other bedroom. So this is the other bedroom false ceiling work which has been done to the corners and right in the center. And you also see the wardrobe work has started, and this is how it has been done. Let me also show you the wardrobe work. So you could see this is how the wardrobe has been planned. It has very spacious wardrobe for keeping a lot of things here. And let me show you on the other side. So you could see here it is also going to have the dressing table and other things. And this bathroom work, bathroom tiles have been laid here. Now see this lamination here. It gives the feeling of a cloth, but it is actually a lamination, which is giving a great look for this wardrobe. Most of them generally use either white or black, so this is giving a completely a different and a great appeal as well. The granite work has also been completed here for the steps. And you could also see the wardrobe in this room. Now first floor to second floor, you can also see this wall cladding. So this is how they do the bubble texture.
already. So we're fixing it. cutting this to adjust to the window size. So the tile side granite work is happening here. So this is 2x4 tiles, and there is a running granite piece also here. अच्छा यहाँ पे आ रहे क्या? It's a paper joint.
Paper joint. लगाओ तो ला. आइए. ठीक है ना. Yes. Oh, why would
So they are using electrical vibrator so that the cement behind that will get properly fixed. There won't be air grabs. And for quick setting, in the same line they probably use Fevikwik as well. right now they would fill cement over there, and after that. So here in the balcony they have wood pattern tiles, which is again 2x4. And there it's a granite pieces. So now you could see that for the false ceiling work there is a putty work that is happening. Work is going on here, so it's 2x4 tiles. wardrobes, and this is washroom. So you could see all the window shutters have been prepared. they have also named it. Okay, so every shutter would have been named. So see this, the same kind of numbering would also been done on this windows as well. Somewhere they'd have written the numbers here as well. Anyway, I'm not able to find it here. Maybe this is related to a different window. See, the work is happening here. So basically what they do is on the shutters they put the numbers, but here generally they don't write it on this, because when they polish this again that will be gone. So they generally remember, like, okay, this is 1 2 3 4 5 6, like that. They remember the numbers in this entire floor. That's how exactly they work. So right now you could see they've just gently polished this. So you could see that this entire false ceiling work with respect to painters has been completed. The only thing they have to do is now connecting all those lights. So this is how it looks here, and this is in the second floor. And if you see the bedroom false ceiling, so this is how it looks. Okay. And this is another false ceiling work here. This is the first floor false ceiling work. So this is how it looks after giving the finishing. So right now you could see that in the parking area they have done the wall cladding, and that's tiles, and there is a running granite base which is roughly for about 1 inch. So this is how it looks. Let me take you to the first floor. You see the similar kind of pattern here with a different tile texture or different tile color here. So for the windows as well, you see this granite pieces that are running. This is how it looks. Here as well it is granite, so this is Lapotra, so that it won't be too slippery. The TV unit is going to come here, and you could see they have already made a slight drawing there just to create the template kind of thing for them to create that. So this is the puja room. They used 2x4 white tiles. There is going to be glass that is going to come here, and glass here as well. And you also see the small drawer sections here. This is right behind the puja room. Okay, again there is some work to be done there. The kitchen cabinets have been created. So this is how it is looking.
under the loft. So you could see the wardrobes here, the planning of it. And they also started polishing the windows. Okay, window frames are ready. Let me also show you the bathroom, how it is looking right now. And this is the storage which is right behind the steps. So you see here PVC Raptor, it's roughly about 120 rupees per square feet, and these are about 15 watt lights.
So right now, about 11 months of work has been completed. That's about 80% of it. And I already have the list of the total investment that has been done, which is close to a crore. Okay. So still there is about 20% of the work that is left. I'm going to explain everything and explain how much has been invested for each of them so that you get the complete idea. So this is a duplex house which has 3 bedroom and the ground floor 1 single BHK and also 1 shop area. This is the east facing side.
Let's see the complete home tour with details.
In the front, so this is the front elevation, and if you see here, there is a wall cladding that has been done, and you have a different style of red tiles that have also been laid there. Now let me explain everything with respect to the price as well. So first let me talk about the tiles and granite. The granite that you see here, so this granite, the price of this is about 190 rupees per square feet. And for the nosing work that you are seeing here, this is roughly about 170 rupees for doing the nosing work for running feet. And you see the wall cladding tiles here. This roughly costed about 150 to 200 rupees per square feet. And this tiles, what you are seeing, that's roughly about 55 rupees for square feet, and it comes in 2x4 dimension. So this is how it looks. Let me also show you on the side here. Okay, so all the plumbing work has been done. Let me take you inside. So let me show you here. So you could see this is the parking area, and the price of this parking area tiles is about 35 rupees per square feet. Okay, so we have the water tank here, and this is how it looks. Now they have this 2x4 tiles. Now these tiles cost roughly about 55 rupees per square feet, and you also see this running granite piece that is going on here. Okay, so again, as I mentioned, for laying this, so one for doing the nosing, it's about 170 rupees per square feet. And let me tell you the laying cost as well. So the price for doing this work, so especially the wall cladding work, is about 45 rupees per square feet. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now they're just going to do the spraying for the doors. So let me show you the doors as well. So these are the doors for bedroom. So this is Burma border teak. The price of it is roughly between 3,500 to 4,500 for SFT. Now depending upon the thickness of the wood that would have been taken. Okay, so you could see this is how the grains look. Again, the polishing work and other thing is still pending. Now coming to this electric panel, it roughly costed about 22,000 to get this work done. Okay,
Now we have the ground floor here. So first I'll show you the ground floor and then I'll take you to the duplex which starts from the first floor. Okay. So this is the 1 BHK single BHK for renting purpose. So this is how the kitchen is. Okay. And this is the hall, living area. This is the TV unit. You have the bathroom here and a bedroom as well. Okay. So right behind this is the shop area. So let's move to the first floor. Now we are going towards the first floor. That's where the duplex starts. And you see here, this is the place where the cylinders are going to be kept. And you also see the connection that has been done for putting the cylinder. Okay. So there is quite a lot of space here, which can be utilized for keeping the cylinder and any other things. Okay. So this is the steps. And let me show you how exactly it has been done. Okay. So I'll be again recording a complete video once the complete cleaning also happens. So this is how the nosing has been done. And if you see here, this is how the thickness looks, because it's two granite pieces that has been combined and made it as one. Now two granite pieces have been only probably about maybe 1 inch depth. Rest all here is just a single granite piece. So that's how it has been done. Now again here you can see the wall cladding that has been done with the running granite as well to give a good appeal as well. So let's move to the first floor. This is where the duplex starts, and on the side as well you see the granite here. Let me show you from here. Okay. Now you see there, these are all the PVC rafters. Okay, let me show you like this so that you can see it. So this is PVC rafter, and the price of it is roughly about 130 rupees per square feet. Okay. And let me show you this beautiful painting that you see here. This has been got it from Rajasthan, customized one, which costed roughly about 6,000 rupees. Let me show you closer. Now see the glow on it, okay? It looks as though there is a light inside this, but that's how the reflection of that has been working. So right next to the door again you see the running granite pieces. So again if you see here, it's two granite pieces that has been clubbed together. There's one piece and there's another piece, so that it gives that good feel and looks a bit bigger as well. Okay, so that's how it has been done. Now the door is yet to be fixed, and this is the Burma border teak. So you could see the width of it and the thickness of it, right? So this is how thick it is. And just to give an example, okay, so this is how wide it is. Now this makes sure that the home gets a very premium look with this setup. Now moving on, the moment you enter inside, right in the front you have the puja room, and you see this. So this is something that is going to come right on top of it. Okay, and there is a brilliant idea they have used here, which is also very cost effective. Now if you see here, this is plywood, okay, and this is teak wood. So on the ply they have fixed the teak wood, and this is going to be polished. Now once the entire finishing has been done, it is going to give the look of a teak wood finish itself. Okay, so you could imagine the amount of teak wood has been saved by this brilliant idea, right? You see every section, you see the same thing. Now it has been kept in the reverse, so this is going to be rotated by 180 degree and then placed on top of it. So this is how it looks.
Now what do you see here? These are 4 by 6 tiles. Now these are called as smart marbles, and the price of it is about 190 rupees per square feet. So this is smart marble. TV unit. So you could see the TV unit from here. Let me just go a little bit back. Okay, yeah. So you could see the TV unit here. Now there has been a lot of space that has been made for keeping all the electrical things related to the setup. You also have space on the left side for keeping the things in the shelf, the decorative items. So this is the entire TV unit. Let me go closer and show you this. Now coming to the plywood work, the price of this is for per square feet for the work that they are doing. It's about 250 rupees per square feet. Okay, so that's the labor cost. And similarly for doing the door work and also wardrobe work, it's 250 rupees per square feet. Now this living room has 4 windows, which is going to give a lot of ventilation. Okay, so you see there is 1, 2, 3 and one here as well. And the other best part about this beautiful home is, you see this. So if I'm right now inside the puja room, and if you see at the top, you see that is also going to be the ventilation, where it is going to have the toughened glass, which is going to, the light is going to directly fall on this puja room. Okay. Now here this for this setup they have used this 2x4 white tiles, and you see the marble over there. And one brilliant idea they have used for this puja room is, now if you see this, during festivals and other, if you want to keep more puja related items, okay, the fruits for arrangement and everything, you can just pull over this and keep it. Okay, so this is a great idea. Let me show you once again the puja room here. So this is how it looks. So this puja room is roughly about 4.5 feet by 4 feet 2 inches or something like that. That's the dimension of this puja room. Now let me also show you the false ceiling here. So you could see the false ceiling work that has been done. Now the price for doing the false ceiling work is 65 rupees per square feet. Okay, and this is how it looks. Let me just move a bit away so that you can see clearly. Okay, so this is how it has been done. They have 3 bedrooms, and all the 3 bedrooms have different false ceiling work as well. I'm going to show you all of them as well. Now right over here, you see again storage has been made here. Okay, and then you have a common toilet. So let's move. Let me show you the kitchen now. Now see this beautiful kitchen, which is very, very spacious. So this is a kitchen with a dining area as well included. And this is how it looks. Let me show you the tiles by going closer. So these are 2x4 tiles. So this is waterproof plywood, which costs roughly about 84 rupees per square feet. So that's boiled waterproof. So to mention the name of it. Okay. And you have storage, loft, everything here. Now for ventilation purpose, they also have a window here as well. Okay. And there is one window there as well. So let's move to the bedroom right now. Okay. So you could see they are getting this bed also ready. And right behind that stairs, there was space, right? So that has been utilized for storage here. So again, storage with lot of space here. So again, for every bathroom work, the price for the labor work here is roughly about 15,000 rupees per bathroom. Okay, so that's how the plumbers have been paid. You can just quickly comment below, so I'll do my best to answer as well. Okay, and right next to this doors, you could see the granite work has been done here. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now the same has also been done for the windows as well. Let's move to the next floor. Okay, so this is how you see the inner steps. It's a combination of granite and tiles. So you see wall cladding here. So this costed roughly about 250 rupees per square feet. Okay, so this is how it looks. Now there is going to be lighting and other thing that would be done, which would enhance its look as well. So let's move to the second floor. So let me show you how it looks from here right now. Okay, so this is how you would see. Again, that GoPro that has been made, it would be coming on top of it. So this is the second floor living area. Let me show you the false ceiling work here. So this is how it looks. The lighting work has to be done. So once that is done, again I'm going to show you how exactly the finishing looks as well. So these are all the teakwood window shutters. Now you could see the polishing has been done on this. This is how it looks. So let me see if I can show you from here. Yeah, you could see this. Okay, so this is how the grains are looking as well. So this is the balcony, which is roughly about 6 feet in width and about 14 feet in length. The same wood pattern tiles have been laid here. So this is not wood, actually this is the wood pattern tile. Again you see PVC rafters over there. Okay, so let me take you inside, and you could see this is going to have double door. Moving inside, so this is one bedroom, that's the other bedroom, and here washing machine is going to come, because that's the point. So let me show you inside. So this is 2x4 tiles. These tiles roughly cost about 70 rupees per square feet. All the window shutters are there. Now since it is one single glass piece, it gives a very elegant look for the home. Right over here you have the L-shape ventilation. Let me show you the false ceiling here. So this is how the false ceiling has been done here. Okay, and let me just go inside the bathroom. Right now they are doing the grouting work. So they are just putting the grout here. And this is how the tiles are. Again about 70 rupees per square feet for these tiles. Now I could see
see this window, right? This is something that is going to come over there, okay? And it looks beautiful. All right, so let's move to the next one. And here you could also see that the kind of pattern or design it has been made. Okay. So moving on to the other bedroom. So there's the false ceiling. One best thing that they have done is they have planned very well for the ventilation. So without any lights, you could see how ventilated this home is. So again, this is the dressing area. Now let's move to the terrace. Okay, and let me show you how it looks from here. So this is how it looks. You could see the planning at the top. So again, this tiles also cost about the same tiles have been used here. That's about 35 rupees per square feet. The parking tiles and these tiles are both same. Now you see this paint. So this is bubble paint. For this, it costed about 25,000 for them to get it done. And coming to the entire painting work, they have paid about 2 lakh rupees in lump sum. Right here on the terrace, you see again the granite work that has been done. Let me show you the wardrobe laminates once. So you see this laminate sheet texture. For one sheet, it costed about 5,500. Okay. So it's kind of a, it's like a, what is it? It's like a cloth finish. That's what. That's how you see this. For this entire building, just coming to the cost of the sheets, they paid roughly about 1.5 lakh only for the sheets. We are going to walk you through the entire house, and this house belongs to Mr. Chaya Kumarji. Let me show you the complete home tour of this east-facing 30 by 40 home, which has a single BHK at the ground floor and a duplex from first to second floor with 3 BHK. And it also has a shop area. Let's see the home tour. Let me take you to the first floor, and towards the end we'll come to the ground floor single BHK. So on the right side you can see the wall cladding, and you see this steel railing with the 12 mm toughened glass. This is how it looks. And here on this side, for safety purpose, there is a steel grill that is there. Let me show you the main door here. So this is 3.5 feet in width by about 8 feet in height. Let me just quickly zoom out and show you. Okay. So this is how it looks, and let me show you the design. Okay. So see this.
So this is the living area, which is in the first floor, and let me show you how it looks, the entire view of it right now. Okay, just see this. And let me show you right behind the door as well. So this door is about 8 feet in height and about 3.5 feet in width. So you could see right behind this is how it looks. Now let me also show you the smart marbles here. Now these are smart marbles and the dimension of this is 4 by 6, and see how it looks. Now let me show you the TV unit. Pooja room that is right in the middle, and you could see this is how it looks. I'm going to show you the entire design. So this is teak wood, and the top also that you see is teak wood, and they have used a brilliant idea here. So see this, let me show you the entire design, and this section is teak wood, okay, where the design has been carved. And right at the top what you see, okay, that's a teak wood finishing, and that has been done on top of the plywood. So basically there is about maybe couple of thick teak wood that is there, which is coming on that, which also helps in saving the cost as well. Now let me show you everything in detail so that you can see the design and everything. Let me show you inside. Just see right at the top. Let me show you a bit more, and you could see that the direct sunlight falls on the puja room. And there is something very unique here. So you could see this can be used for during the puja time to keep the fruits and other things. That's again the soft close. Now let me show you the other side. Now this is the glass here. So this is how the puja room design is, and let me show you the other side. So you could see Shri on this side, and Om on this side. So that's the puja room design. So let me also show you at the top. So see this kitchen, it's very spacious. So let me just reduce the zoom of it. So you could see how spacious the kitchen is. And you could see they have used the tiles here so that it does not get dirty. Even this is a tile, and what you see there is also tiles. Okay, so these are tiles, and all these doors are soft close. Let me show you sections here. Let me show you one interesting thing here. So you could also see that they have also put the borders here so that even by mistake water does not come or spill out of it. So maybe about a 10 mm or something. So that's the kitchen. Let me show you the bedroom door. Let me zoom out. So the switches that have been used is GM switches. You could see this door handles which are looking very elegant. Now right over here you also see some more sections, and this does not have the handle, so these are push open. Let me show you the corner section here. Let me also show you the false ceiling. This is how it looks. Let me show you the false ceiling of the living room. Okay. So let me take you to the next floor. So these are the tiles and this is the granite that has been used. So you see this beautiful work on this. So from here you have the steel railings with 12 mm toughened glass. And you could see the wall cladding that has been done here. Now let me show you from here. You could see right at the top there is a ventilation, and also that opening that is there, it has been covered with the toughened glass that directly allows the light to fall on the puja room here. Let me show you the top of the puja room as well, how it looks. And again, they have taken a lot of care for ventilation, and in the first floor you could see there were about 4 windows, and here there are 3 big windows, letting the natural light to enter a lot. I could see the stainless steel railings with 12 mm toughened glass that is there. Let me show you the false ceiling here. So this door takes to the balcony. So it's a double door. This is how it looks. So they have planned so well that they get lot of space for sitting and relaxing. So complete wall cladding has been done here with the help of tiles. So this is about 6 feet by 14 feet in dimension. So this is how it looks. Now once you come in the hall, so this is how you get the view of it. So that's the bedroom. Now this is the area where the washing machine is going to be kept, and this is another bedroom, and this leads us to the terrace. So let me take you through this bedroom. You could see the door design here. If you observe here, again there's a L-shaped window, and so you could see this. It's completely L-shaped, so there is a lot of light that is entering inside. Let me show you this section. This is how it has been planned. So this is for dressing. Again, there is a storage inside as well. So enough storage plan has been in so that everything can be well organized. Let me show you the false ceiling of this. And there is also a light here for dressing. So this is other attached bathroom. And if you observe there, window border has the granite work over there. Now it's the same thing that has been done for the bathroom windows. Let me show you the washing machine area here. So this is where the washing machine is going to be placed, and again there is a section here for keeping all the things related to washing, and there is also storage that has been planned right above this. Okay, so again this is also push open. And right above that you can see that's how the work has been done. Now let me take you to the other bedroom. So you could see the work here. Let me show you the false ceiling. There are sections here.
Now here you could see there's a dressing area as well with lights. This can be opened here. There is one more storage here. So this is how it looks. Now let's go to the terrace. So there is a safety grill that has been put here. So let me show you the terrace here. Now you could see they have put a granite on the top here, okay, and you could see the L-shape steel with glass work. They are doing the steps here for going to the water tank. So the entire parapet wall has the granite top. So let me show you the gate here. Gate has been designed. So this window here, there is going to be glass that is going to be coming here. This is in the front. This is how it looks in the side. Let me show you the gate. So this is the parking area. This is the ground floor single BHK. And this is the kitchen. The shop is right over there. Okay. So that's the shop area. So this is the shop area. And let me also show you at the side. So you could see this is how it looks in the side. Let me also show you on the other side. Let me show you on the other side.